Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexis. Today another video in English. I received a curl box, the Curls Allowed box. Here it is. It's a monthly subscription box, but you also can get it one time, so you buy only one box to try out, and then if you want to, you can subscribe and receive every month a box. This is the May box, and all products in here are curly girl friendly. Yay! And well, I'm going to unbox it. Every product in this box is curly girl friendly. That means everyone that makes the curly girl method can use all these products because they don't contain sulfates, silicones, parabens, harsh alcohols, you know. Woo. And here is a description of the products. So we have a cleanser, a conditioner, wow, 4-in-1. This is a leave-in conditioner, styling cream, and a scalp moisturizer. We have the Umberto Giannini. Then we have here the curl jelly and a volumizing mousse. And now I'm going to wash my hair using the organic hair cleanser and the conditioner. I will tell you my thoughts after, and then you'll see how I style my hair with the 3 products. And this is gonna be the first time I try them out, and well, let's see how it goes. hair. And now I'm going to tell you what I think about the product. First of all, my hair smells like citrus and I don't know, but it doesn't smell like coconut or pineapple, because you know all the curly girl products smell like pina colada or something like this, but none of these products smell sweet, all like fresh citrus like this. Let's start with the cleanser. Yeah, I used it. It's empty now, and I really feel like that my scalp is clean and fresh, and yeah, it cleanser, but I really like it. Then comes then I use the conditioner. It's a Giovanni conditioner. It's okay, nothing special, but it detangled my hair. It let my hair feels very soft and nice. I don't know, it doesn't prevent frizz. Who knows? Well, then you see how I start my hair. I used first this leave-in and styling cream. It's like 4-in-1. I already told you. Then I used the gel, and then I used the volume mousse on my roots just to see if there comes a little bit of volume. Well, I like the leave-in. It has slip, but not as much slip as other products have that I have. Makes that sense? You know what I mean. It's okay, yeah, it's nice. Then the gel, I like the smell. It's like, well, this smells like citrus. I don't like it. So, well, it smells like a perfume, a flowery perfume. I like it, and it fits good in the hair. And then comes the volume mousse. You saw how it came out. I was like, what? Never saw something like this, but I like it. Well, now the results. At the end, at my ends, I didn't use the mousse, and you see it's way curlier than my roots. I have volume, but it's like the mousse loosened up my curls, so it is not as curly as it is normally. But all in one, my hair looks nice. It's soft, it smells fresh, clean, it feels clean. I have volume, I have texture. I really like to try out these products, and that is why I like this curlsallowed box, because there came the curlsallowed box has sample size products, and so you can try out new stuff and not have to buy the whole product. And if you really liked one, you can buy one, but you have the chance to try out something new instead of wasting money because you buy whole size and then you don't like it, and there it is in your bathroom looking at you. Why did you buy me? That was my unboxing and reviewing video of the curlsallowed box. I really want to thank you, curlsallowed, for sending me your box. I really enjoyed trying out the products, and well, that was my video. If you like me, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So till the next time, bye.